Here, oh, there we go. Figured out how to open this. Oh, nope, no I haven't. Okay, there we go. Now I did. Okay, so I'm currently in the guest bedroom at my parents' place, and this is a computer, and that means we need to take it apart. Yes, that's literally the amount of thought I put into this this video right here. Is just like, it's a computer, it's an HP Envy, it's in a room with me, and well, I can't help myself. I need to disassemble this thing. Also, we have very adequate tooling for this right here, and a thumb screw that, of course, is so ridiculously tight that it could just be a regular screw because, like, thumb screws that are this tight are pointless. Also, I'm recording with my phone, so this is gonna suck extra hard, like more than usual in terms of, well, everything. But hey, if you came here for like production quality, then you're on the wrong freaking YouTube channel, aren't you? Let's get this freaking screwdriver equipped. Go with a actual... Man, one-handing this is gonna be like, I already accidentally stopped the recording once, so this is not a fun thing to do. Okay, well, yeah, this is not working. Opening. There we go. Okay, now it should be loose enough. Yeah, now it's loose enough, good. Yeah, so that wasn't too bad. And there goes the side panel. Wait, is that captive? Oh, that's cool. I guess it's captive. Yeah, that's captive. Oh no, no, it is a captive screw. Like, the thread is so much wider than the actual hole that you're not gonna need to pull it out. Oh, this is pretty neat. Okay, so we've got a reference NVIDIA something. There's a water cooler. Damn, that's actually pretty nice. This is water cooled. I mean, it's an anemic little water cooler. That's what, like, that's not a 120. That's like an 80mm water cooler. Because that's better than like an Intel stock cooler, though. But I can't see anything in there right now because it's all flipped over, so let's put it down. There we go. So we got some anemic little EU. Yes. See that? That's a 3-phase VRM. That is EU. What else do we got? Okay, so the GPU, I'm assuming this is a 980 Ti. Like, that is my best guess for what... Yeah, this is a 980 Ti. See? Okay, so that's a 980 Ti, so that's nice. Oh, we got some double-sided... Is that DDR4? Yeah, that looks like DDR4. Yeah, I mean, we could pop a stick out and check it out for ourselves. Actually, let's check what die is on this. Pop. This is... Oh yeah, this is OEM Samsung D-die. Ugh. You can see, because it says 5WD. So this is D-die. So those are 4 gigabit ICs. So this is an 8 gig stick. That means this is a 16 gig system. Because D-die is a 4 gigabyte memory IC. So, I mean 4 gigabit memory IC. So you need like 8 of them, or well, 16 of them to make a 16 gig stick. I mean 8 gig stick, wait, 8 gig stick, 8 gig stick. I'm messing myself up. Single RAM, and it is, damn it, I got it the wrong way around. Yeah, I did. Cool. Getting that back in there. Of course, single phase memory power. We can see some of the MOSFETs on the iGPU rail down there. They look like they suck. I'm assuming the motherboard is some HP OEM thing, but I mean, what do you expect? Let's pop. Come on, get back in there. Okay, one-handing this is... I'm gonna slice my fingers open. There we go. Okay, that side clicked, and that side clicked as well. Man, those are some stiff memory slots. Green board. I wonder what chipset's on this. Because, like, I'm wondering if it's overclockable, right? Like, it's water cooled, so could it be? Well, I can't really see anything down there. Yeah, not really anything interesting. The VRM heatsink's nice at least. Like this, see this? This is proper finnage on that VRM heatsink. Like, that's an actual heatsink, but the VRM itself is anemic, and they were evidently cutting costs on capacitors. Actually, it might be a... No, that's a 2, because you can see the power plane right there. So, benefits of green PCBs is you can actually see all of the traces. So yeah, that's a pretty basic little system. What's this? Wait, why is this at an angle? Oh, I guess they're just like the the hard drive cages are just angled, and there's an SSD in there, and we got one hard drive. So not really much to this. So yeah, just a bone stock 980 Ti that hasn't managed to blow up its own memory VRM yet, which is actually, it's not really that rare. But if it is going to fail, that's what I would guess is going to fail, is that the memory VRM is going to blow up because well, it's built, like, designed by NVIDIA, so you know that's the kind of build quality you get. Yeah. So that's a pretty short video right there, because I mean we can't really, like, I don't want to disassemble this to the point that it's actually a pain to put back together. I wonder if there's a spec anywhere on this thing. Nope, no there isn't. Absolutely no information about what's in this pile of garbage. Well, whatever. I assume it's well, it's got an i7. It says right there, it's got an i7, which, I mean, that's not surprising. There's a 980 Ti in there, so what the hell else would be the CPU? But, like, I'm wondering if it's like a 7700 or if it's a 7700K. Might even be a 6700 or a 60. If it's a 6700, that would actually be overclockable if you got your hands on a Z170 board and didn't mind the fact that the AVX won't work. So, yeah. Anyway, yeah, that's it. Like, there's not really much to this thing. All right, actually, let's check the power supply. Just now that I'm reassembling this. What is this? Okay, attention. What's that? Are you kidding me? That is stupid. Okay, so they've got 4 12-volt rails with a bunch of different OCPs. So they have an 18.5 amp rail, a 10 amp, and a 12 amp, and another 12 amp. So I guess there's an 18.5 times, no, that's not enough to power a 980 Ti on its own. So there's going to be, I'm going to assume that 18.5 amp rail is on the 8 pin, and then one of the 12s is on the 6 pin, then another 12 is probably down to the CPU, and then, yeah, so, pile of junk. Anyway, let's close it up. So yeah, that's it. That's random computer that I found in my parents' guest bedroom. Okay, that's the teardown of it, or at least that's how much I cared to tear it down, right? And it's people say I can't make short videos. Yes, I can. If there's nothing to talk about, then I'll make a short video. Ugh. Okay, well, I can't try. I'm gonna give up on trying to close this with one hand. Yeah, so that's it. This is a bit of a filler video because, to be completely honest, I didn't manage to pre-record enough stuff before leaving. So yeah, this was in the guest bedroom, and I was like, well, I guess I could disassemble it and do a video about that. And yeah, well, it's not really that interesting in my opinion. I mean, it's a pretty standard computer. So yeah. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching, and like, share, subscribe, notification bell, the usual YouTuber thing. And alright, and if you'd like to support me, then I have a Patreon. You can support me. I feel bad about telling people to go on Patreon after like a less than 10-minute video. Right? Like, this is literally like, this video took me 2 attempts, so, and the first attempt I accidentally turned off the recording in like the first minute, so yeah, now I'm just elongating the video for no reason. I'm just gonna hit the, but anyway, Patreon down in the link, down in the description, there's a link to that, and there's also Teespring, which, if you want YouTuber merch, then that's what that's for. So yeah, that's it. That's the random HP Envy computer. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.